You get a bad review. Maybe it's unfair. Maybe it stings. And now you're staring at it, trying to figure out what to say, knowing that if you say the wrong thing, you'll look worse than the review itself. Here's what most small business owners don't realize. People read how a business responds to negative reviews before deciding whether to visit. Not just the review, the response. That means an unanswered or defensive review is quietly costing you customers every single day. Let's talk about using AI to handle this. Not to sound like a robot, not to paste in some corporate non-apology, but to respond faster, calmer, and more professionally than most of us can manage after a frustrating day. First thing, AI is a drafting tool, not a done-for-you solution. If you paste a review into ChatGPT and post whatever comes out, you'll get something generic. Customers smell canned replies. Treat AI like a first draft. Your job is to edit it until it sounds like you. To make the AI draft useful, give it real context. Don't just paste the review and say write a response. Tell the AI what your business does, what the reviewer said, what actually happened from your side, what outcome you want, how long the response should be, and what tone you're going for. Here's an example. You own a plumbing company, and someone left a 2-star review saying your tech was late and didn't explain pricing up front. Your prompt might go, I own a small plumbing company. A customer left a 2-star review saying our technician was late and didn't explain pricing up front. The tech was delayed by an emergency that morning. We have a policy of giving estimates before work starts, but something broke down here. Write a response that acknowledges their frustration, apologizes, briefly explains the delay without making excuses, and invites them to call us directly. Keep it under 100 words and make it sound warm, not corporate. That prompt gives the AI enough to write something real. You'll still need to tweak it, but the heavy lifting is done. When you get the draft back, read it out loud. If it doesn't sound like something you'd actually say, change it. Swap out phrases like, we sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. Say something specific instead. We're sorry the wait threw off your morning, lands differently. Add a name if you want it to feel personal. Double-check that any offer you're making, a callback, discount, refund, is one you'll actually follow through on. This editing takes 2 or 3 minutes and is worth it every time. Here's a tip that'll save you time. If you run a restaurant, you probably get the same complaints: slow service, cold food, wrong order. If you run a salon, wait times, pricing surprises, results that didn't match expectations. Spend one afternoon writing a saved prompt template for each common complaint type. Keep them in a Google Doc or Notes app. When a review comes in, grab the right template, swap in details, run it through AI, and edit for a couple minutes. What used to take 20 minutes becomes a 5-minute routine. Then there's the review that makes your blood pressure spike. The one that feels unfair or wrong. That's exactly when you want to hand it to the AI first, before you respond. A defensive reply confirms that you don't handle criticism well. That's the real damage. Write the prompt with your honest frustration. Ask the AI for something calm and professional, and don't post it until you've cooled down and edited. The AI doesn't get emotional. Use that. One honest limitation. AI can write the response, but it can't tell you the review exists. You need a system for that. Google Business Profile and Yelp let you turn on email notifications when new reviews come in. That's free and takes 2 minutes to set up. Here's where this lands. That bad review sitting unanswered right now, it's not just a problem for the customer who wrote it. It's the first thing the next potential customer might read about you. How you respond tells them a lot more about your business than the complaint itself. AI won't fix a bad experience, but it can help you show people who you really are when things don't go perfectly. And that might be the best marketing you do all week.